Hi, it's your guy Frank. ChatGPT just upgraded their AI image generation tool, making it the best AI image generation tool so far. Now you can create high quality images by just a click of a button. You can transform images, you can add new elements and characters to an image. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it all. Are you ready? Let's go. Impute your prompt. So one tip I'm going to tell you here is to make it as simple as possible, as short as possible. So if it's complex, ChatGPT is going to be confused and then it's not going to return what you've described for it. So make it simple and short. So here we are going to put a prompt that we want to generate picture of two Nigerians drinking inside a bar. So that's what we are going to impute in, and then we'll see what ChatGPT will return. The image is going to return to us. Let's do it. The next is transforming an image. And because we just want to transform an image, so we are not now going to go to the option of image in the ChatGPT. We are not going to go to the option of image in the ChatGPT because we have this image already in our device. All we just want to do is to transform it. So what we have to do is to go click the plus sign and then upload the image onto ChatGPT. When we have uploaded the image that we want to transform to ChatGPT, now we're going to see the image in the text input area. So what we have to do next is to now put the prompt, what we want ChatGPT to do to the image. So in this case, we want to change the background of the image. Now we want to change this background, put a dark blue background to this image. So what do we have to type? So our prompt is going to be like this. Please edit this image and turn the background to a dark blue. So this is what we have to do. This is the prompt that we have to put in, and then we'll watch ChatGPT perform its magic. Okay? So let's do it. Look what ChatGPT has for us. This is amazing. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Just by a click of a button. It did not even take us up to 5-10 seconds, and then see what ChatGPT has for us. This is completely mind-blowing. We want to remove the background and make it transparent, such that we can just take only the image and put where we want to put it without the background. And we can let ChatGPT do this for us, just the same way we let it put it. And this is important, especially if you don't want to upload your images, your files to third-party applications and websites, right? You know, you don't want to have your data on random websites on the internet. So you can just only leave it with OpenAI, assuming you can trust OpenAI with your data. Okay, now you have to upload the picture, the image that you want to remove the background. Okay, you don't have to go to the image option. Just upload the image, and then you can apply the same prompt. However, if you make it complex, if it is not simple enough, then what is going to happen is that it's not going to do the action that you want from it. And this is what we can see from the prompt that we put in. It was complex. So break it down as much as possible. Make it simple. Make it simple. Okay, type only simple prompts. The shorter it is, the better for you. So put in short prompts and then see what it will return for you. So we'll have to wait and see. So when we finally put a short, simple prompt, so we can see ChatGPT has done it. So use this prompt, or you can also find other prompts that you can use for other things. Maybe you want to add an element, maybe you want to add something, maybe add someone else in a picture, any other thing, it can handle it. So find the prompt, or you can drop a comment, then I will give you a prompt that you can use that will add new elements in a certain picture or new characters in a certain picture. Drop a comment. I hope you've gotten value from this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Cheers.